arc length,
You don't have to deal with it.
area,
This is it.
but we won't be finding, rotation, surface area by rotating. With these curves, we don't rotate that. So first of all, how do I find tangent? Again, tangent is always dy dx or slope. That's how we do the slope. And here, because y is a function of theta, y is always going to be, remember, r sine, and y equals, x equals r cosine. So that's the relation between polar and rectangle. So slope would be dy over d theta, and x would be dx. The dx is dx over d theta. So exactly the same as we did before, we had dy dt, dy dx is dy dt over dx dt. Okay. But here, the theta is the one that is changing.
Okay.
Example 1 given a curve r equals cosine of 2 theta, and you want to find the slope at the point where theta equals pi over 4. First of all, we have to write y and x. Okay, remember y equals r sine of theta, and x equals r cosine of theta. So what is y? The r function is given by cosine of 2 theta, so this is cosine of 2 theta times sine of theta. And then the x function will be cosine of 2 theta times cosine of theta. So that's the first thing. Replace the r given to you inside the formulas. You see y is just a function of theta, and x is also just a function of theta. Okay. So how do I find then dy d theta? What is the derivative of this function with respect to theta? What? Product rule, yeah. Product rule first and second. The derivative of first would be?
Negative sine, times 2.
2 sine 2 theta times the first function would be sine. Okay. Then, second function, the derivative would be negative cosine, so I'll write cosine of 2 theta times cosine of theta. And I put a minus in between. And same thing for the x. We do first and second, so product rule. Derivative of first would be minus 2 sine 2 theta times cosine of theta. And derivative of cosine is positive sine, so this would be positive cosine of 2 theta times cosine of theta. Oh, sorry, cosine. So those are these two, the dy d theta and the dx d theta. Now I have to substitute pi over 4 for each one, and then I divide them. So if I substitute pi over 4, what do I get? What is the sine of 2 times pi over 4? I have 4 functions to find. The sine of 2 pi over 4 is the same as sine of 2 pi over 2, which is 1. Okay. The sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. The cosine of 2 times pi over 4 would be cosine of pi over 2, which is 0. And I don't care about this one, but so all of this just becomes negative 2 root 2 over 2, which is the same as negative root 2. So this is the top value of that fraction, negative root 2. And you do the same for the x dx d theta, when theta equals pi over 4. So you have minus 2 times plus times 5. Okay. So same thing, sine of 2 theta would be just 1. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Then you have cosine of 2 pi over 4, which is the same as cosine of pi over 2, well, the 0 again. And sine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Again, you get minus 2 root 2 over 2, which is the same as negative root 2 over 2. So dy dx equals negative root 2 over negative root 2. So the slope is equal to 1. That's pi over 4. So please remember this, I've seen, like, I think it's in your take home. When you find y should be just a function of theta, so you need to replace that r, by the curve. The curve that is given is a function of theta. Replace it first, then find the derivatives. If not, y is a function of r and theta, and we can have that.